you are having an awesome day. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and also like this video and ring the bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. Also leave a comment below what you guys did for Halloween, because I always want to know what you guys are doing and stuff like that. I want to be interactive with y'all. Doing a swatch video today, and I'm going to be using the Tarte Pineapple Palette, which I promised with you guys. I did the makeup look for this palette right here. It's not the best quality, but I wanted to show you guys anyway and how it performed. I also did like a picture so you guys see like a better format of how it looked. So I really liked the formula when I was using the palette. I thought it was really like volumized and everything like that. When you go to like a natural lighting, it sees more of the shadows and everything. It shows like more of the colors, and there's not like any fallout on this palette. So it's like, it's a great formula, great for the price. So I got it for like $59, so it'll be like $60 in tax. So the palette looks like this. And then it shows you the eyeshadows in the back right here. And then once you open it, it looks like that. It has like a little mirror right here. You got like blushes, and then like a little shimmer right here, and then like a little bronzer. And you got like a lot of eyeshadow palettes right here, which is really nice for the price. So this palette is like very like limited. So like I think by this year you can't really get it anymore by next year. So that's why I got my hands on this one. I've been into like Tarte cosmetics, so I wanted to get everything that's like limited. So I'm very obsessed with their formula. I've been liking this one recently, so I'm really glad that I got my hands on this. My boyfriend got it for me, so I didn't really ask, but he wanted to do it anyway, so I was like, okay. I want to swatch it with my hands, because let me see if it shows more on the hands. Then looks like that. Shimmery. I'm also going to show you guys in the back of my camera, so like you guys see the flash and the true colors of it, because in real life it's so pretty. And then I'm going to swatch these right here,
and then this one right here as well. And then I'm going to swatch
this shimmery thing. Looks like that. And then the next one is, I'm going to swatch more of the colorful ones because I feel like they'll stand out more. So I swatch the purple one right here. And then this one, this one, this one, this one, and then, yeah. Very pretty. It's nice in real life. And this one next. They have like, this one's like more of like a similarity colors going on. Oops. This one is more of like a brownish, goldish brown. And this one's like more of like a rosy gold going on. Sorry, it's really pretty. This one's like very powdery. I haven't used the shade yet, but we'll see in the eyes. Yeah, it's really pretty. I mean, when you apply them on your eyes, they're very pretty, but like when you swatch them, it's not really like, you know, blinding or anything, but it's really pretty. Looks like that. So I want to try this. I'm glad that they added the black, because sometimes you never know when you're gonna need one. So that's always like appreciative, like they add like a black in here all the time. So I'm gonna swatch this one, purple one right here, silver one, and then this greenish one. This is like the most colors that I've been loving here. And then the next one is like the blue. Did I do the blue one? Yeah, I'm gonna do the black. I like accidentally erase this one here with this one, so I'm just gonna do this one and then do the photos in the back so you guys see the true colors. Very pretty. The blue one here. Wow. So it has like that holographic kind of shade going on. I feel like you can use this for like a little highlight in your eyes. And this purple one here. I love this color. It's really nice. You can use this and match it with this one right here. And then this greenish shade. Very pretty. And then the last one is the black shade. Too bad. Very nice. Watch that one. This one right here, you guys can see. One is this Tarte one. It's like a very tannish shade. Here, the lilac shade. So I swatched like more like this one right here, all that stuff, so you guys can see.
That's like the orangey shimmery going on there. Very pretty. This one here is like one of my favorites.
I feel like some of the shadows are very powdery. This one right here. And then the next one is the orangey shade. It's like a mustard shade going on. Like this one is like shimmer. This one is not. And this like lilac shade going on here. Very nice. The lilac is really pretty there. Very cute. So those are all the eyeshadows that I applied. And honestly, I mean, for $59, it's like, it's okay because you get like a mascara, an eyeliner, and a liquid lipstick. So it's actually a good deal. And you get a blush and a bronzer and everything like that in a mirror. And really big for the price. So I really admire this palette a lot. So, it's really pretty. This one. And it's like very dark purple. Looks like that. And, oh, this one's very buttery. Very nice. It's a very shimmer black, so it's like really cute to use in your inner corners right here. And then this one is the purpley shade, which looks like that. Very nice. See, those are all the eyeshadows. See, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this eyeshadow palette, if you guys got it already. But personally, when I was applying them on my eyes, like my makeup look, I don't really do all the colors, but they're so pretty when you like put them on. I feel like with this palette, you don't really need like so much concealer or whatever, like priming going on. I tried it with no primer and it works so nice on my eyes. Like, oh my god, it's not too bad, but like it's really good. But yeah. Oops. Looks like that. And leave a comment below and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.